Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Script Smashers. So viewers, in this video I am here with the very amazing script of a PTC ads watching website. So as you can see, this is a very amazing website of PTC and it has a very amazing look and it is completely new in market. So in this video I will give you the complete demo of this website. I will show you how this website works. So viewers, be with us and watch this video till the end, and if you want us to build this site for you, you can contact us on WhatsApp. The link is in the description. You can contact us and we will build this complete site for you. And if you need complete only script of this website, we also gave you the script. So now let's start our video. So first of all, you can see the amazing look of this website. Now in order to use different functionalities of user, we must have to log in, and let me tell you that this website is completely controllable from admin, so you don't need any coding knowledge. You can directly control this website from admin. Here on user login page, you can see different options. You can log in with Google, Facebook, LinkedIn as well. Now we already have an account, so I'm not gonna register again. So here is a register option as well. You can register on this website by filling these details. So we already have an account, so I will log in with my existing details. So here I will enter my username and here I will enter my password. So now I have entered my details. Now when I click on login, it will log me into my user panel. So viewers, here you can see that I have successfully logged into my user panel of this website, and this website has a very amazing user panel over here. So you can see, so let's explore the functionalities of home page. So here you can see the banners out there. You can change these banners from admin panel completely. You can change this line, notification line from here from admin, and you can insert whatever you want. Here is deposit option, withdrawal option, and invite option, telegram option. So when you click on deposit, here you can deposit money using any of the gateway you want. So currently there is only one gateway, but from admin you can create as many as gateways like crypto gateways and other gateways you want. So similarly, by choosing the gateway, you can enter the amount you want to deposit, and here when you click on submit, you can send screenshot to admin and you can deposit money easily, and you can watch video as well for deposit. Here you have to enter TRX ID and your screenshot of payment, and you have to send this to admin and admin will approve your deposit. So this is how you can use this, and this complete gateway details are changeable. You can change them from admin. Here is withdrawal section. So similarly, you can withdraw your money using any of the gateway you want. Enter the amount you want to withdraw and click and submit, and you can easily withdraw your money. Here is invite option. So by going to invite, here you can see there is your referral link. So you can copy your referral link, and when you invite any people, they will come under your referral if they join through your link. So it's completely simple, and people can earn through referral as well. And here you can see that there is telegram option. When user will click on telegram, user will be redirected to your telegram channel. Same, there is a VIP option, so you can see different plans on the website. You can buy any plan you want. Here you can see the basic plan, price is 100, validity, referral bonus, daily limit ads. So you can set these plans from admin panel. And now viewers, let's go back. Here you can see different live prices of different currencies, cryptocurrencies over here. Here you can see all your task list according to your plan. So currently I haven't subscribed to any plan, but when we will subscribe to plan, you can see all your task list over here. So now let's buy any plan from here. So we have buy the plan, and now we must have to insert the task from admin panel. So currently website is completely newly created and is on my domain, as you can see over here. And now we have to insert the task. I will also show you how we can insert the task from admin panel. And when admin will insert the task like ads watching, subscribing any YouTube channel, like that, and those tasks will be appeared right here when user subscribe to that plan. So this is how user can subscribe to plan and watch ads. Here is a contact page, so you can create new tickets, support tickets from here. So this is how you can create support tickets, and if you have any issue on your user panel, you can directly contact with admin from here. Here's the profile section, so you can see your total balance, deposit wallet balance, and total withdrawal amount, deposit, invite, withdraw options. You can see your plan expiry that we just subscribed, task completed, remaining task. So here you can see your next remainder balance transfer, so you can transfer your balance from one account to another. That's completely simple. Here is account option, so you can see all your account information in this section. So you can view all your account information, and you can also change information from here. Here is a change password. You can see your commissions over here, and here you can see deposit history, withdraw history, your team, two-factor authentication, and you can directly log out. Viewers, now we will directly go to our admin panel login page, and I will show you how we can control this complete website from admin panel. So before moving towards the video, if you want to buy this script from us, do contact us on WhatsApp. The link is in the description. Both Telegram and WhatsApp links are in description. You can contact us and buy this script from us. And if you need the complete end-to-end website, any type of website, we will build that for you. So now let's move towards our next part of video, which is exploring the admin panel of this website. So I'm going to the admin login page. So viewers, this is the admin login page of this PTC ads watching or task website. So here we have to enter our username and password in order to log in. So I am entering my details to log into admin panel of this website. So now when I click on login, it will log me into my admin panel of this website. So viewers, you can see that we have successfully logged into our amazing admin panel of this website. Here you can completely control this website from admin panel. You can see the total users, active users, email unverified users, mobile unverified user, total deposits on the website, deposit charges, total withdrawals, each and everything. You can see total ads on the website, ads purchased, each and everything over here. So website is completely newly created, as you can see over here. So the website is completely newly created. Here you can see all the notification of user registration and each and everything over here. Here you can change the admin details if you want to. And now let's explore some other options. So viewers, here from referral commission, you can set up multiple levels of commission from here on deposit, plan, subscription, PTC view. So you can set up those referrals from here. So I haven't set it up currently, but you can enter the number of referrals you want to create, and from here you can generate that number of referral. And suppose I want to give 2%, 3% on level 2, and from here you can create that level from here. So you can see I have just created 2 levels of referral from here. So this is how you can create referral commission. This is a plan subscription page. From here you can create the plan on your website. Currently you can see there are 3 plans. Now if you want to add a new plan, you can add a new plan by filling these simple details. So it's completely simple to add a new plan. You can just fill these details and you can easily create a new plan, and you can disable existing plan or edit the existing plans as well. Here you can create your PTC ads. So currently you can see that I haven't created any PTC advertisement. So create a PTC advertisement, create an ad new, and give the title of ad, amount of ad that user will get after watching that ad, duration of ad, maximum show, active or inactive link of your ad, whatever you want to show to user, and you can easily add this to your website. So this is how you can create the ad on your website. So here viewers, now we will go to, so viewers, here you can see all the active ads, inactive ad, pending ads, ejected ads. Here you can see all the PTC report. You can manage the users on the website. So here you can see all the active users on the website. Now if you want to manage the user details, so you can see all user detail, balances, deposits, each and everything is here. Suppose I want to add balance to user account, so I can easily add balance to user account from here. So when we will click on submit, you can easily add balance to user account from here. And you can also subtract balance from user account, log in as user, send notifications to users. Whatever you want to do to the user, you can do it from here. You can see ban user, email unverified, mobile unverified, all users you can see over here. So the most important option, that is of gateway option. So you can see many automatic gateways are over here. All worldwide accepted gateways are given in the site, like crypto gateways, PayPal, Paystack, all gateways are here. So now if you want to create your automatic gateway, that are also available. If you want to create manual gateway, so currently you can see there is only one manual gateway, which is EasyPaisa. And when you click on add new, so by filling these details you can create a new manual payment gateway on your website. So this is completely simple. Here you can approve deposit requests of user. Currently there is no deposit request, but when user will request a deposit, it will be appeared over here. You can see all things related to deposit. Here you can see all things related to withdraw, and here from here you can create a withdrawal method. Just click on add new, and by filling these details you can easily create a withdrawal method. Viewers, here you can see the support tickets from users, and this is a report section. You can see the complete report of your website over here. From general setting, you can change the name of website. You can choose this website in any currency you want, and you can change the currency symbol, time zone, whatever you want to change, you can change it from here. And viewers, now here is system configuration. You can turn on of different settings of website from system configuration option. So you can manage all these settings from here. KYC management, language options, email verifications, you can turn them on off from here. Here you can manage all the social credentials, and this is a logo and favicon option. So from logo and favicon, you can change the logo of this website and favicon of this website. Just click on select logo, and you can upload your own logo instead of this logo. So viewers, as you can see that this is completely simple. So before moving towards the video, do like and subscribe to our channel, and also comment your thoughts in the video in the comment section. So viewers, there are restrictions. Language option, you can use any language on the website. SEO manager, manage SEO directly from here. You can manage the KYC. Here you can manage all the ad settings related to ads, user ads. So you can manage all the ad settings from here. Here you can manage the notification. You can manage the templates of the website, and you can manage the pages on the website. And from here you can set up the overview of this website, mean front end of the website. You can manage it from here. You can edit each and every section you want, and this maintenance mode and some other options. So viewers, if you want to buy this script, or if you need the complete website, do contact us on WhatsApp. The link is in the description. You can contact us and buy this source code from us. And if you need more details about the website, you can also contact us, and we will provide you more details, and you can completely trust us. So viewers, thanks for watching this video. Do like and subscribe to our channel.